Team communication is an important aspect of running a successful business. As the world moves to remote work, it's important that we all can communicate swiftly and efficiently with each other in our businesses. So this week, I'm sharing 5 tips and tools that we're using to streamline our communication processes internally. My name is Lindsay from Smartify My Biz, and this is your tech tip this week.
Slack is a free app that works on your phone and your desktop. It helps you break out of the inbox and work in channels so everyone has a shared view on your progress and purpose. So inside our Slack, we divide channels up by clients, social media, accounting, and various team chats. Then we also have individual chats that we can use to talk with each other on a one-on-one basis. The best part are the Slack integrations, so you can integrate other tools like your calendar, email, documents, etc. Tool number 2, Trello. Trello is a project management tool, and it's a great way to stay on top of projects. So while we're using Slack for quick communication and to chat like we're in the office together, we're using Trello to communicate on specific projects and tasks that we're working on. So I can come into a card and I can quickly tag somebody and say, hey, how is this going? So it works really well for a project management tool and to keep communication streamlined around particular projects. Now, if you're not using Trello, you can check out my video I did about how we use it for project management to get more detail about how it works. You can click the link below the video. Tool number 3, using the commenting feature in Google Drive. This is probably one of the best features about Google Drive. You know I'm a big fan of G Suite if you've seen some of my other videos, because of the way team communication and collaboration works within G Drive. So if you're collaborating in real time on a document, you can actually comment and assign actions to your team members right on the document. So if I finished something and I needed somebody to review, I could have my team, can you post this? And then I can assign it. And then what happens is that will get assigned to them. They get an email in their inbox, and then they can come over to the document, make whatever edits they need, and then tick it off to show that it's done. So this is a great way to communicate and collaborate in real time, and the commenting feature is a good way to keep communication tight between your team members. Tool number 4, Google Groups. We're using Google Groups as our support inbox. So it's a collective and collaborative inbox that we use to communicate with our clients. And that means that anybody on our team can jump in and offer support or communicate quickly with anyone who needs it. So if we ever go into an email chain, we're all able to see what's been happening, if somebody's replied to it already, if it's starred, or if it needs action. If you want more detail about how to use G Suite in your business, which also talks about using Google Groups, you can also click the link below to another video I've recorded. Tool number 5, using Zoom for daily WIPs. So a WIP stands for work in progress, and I recommend that those meetings only are about 15 to 20 minutes long. They're a quick stand-up meeting, and you talk about what's been completed, what we're working on, and we refer to Trello if we need to review this, and then we talk about what we need help with. Then we create problem-solving meetings to separately solve those problems that we've talked about in our daily WIP. So those are the 5 tools and tips and tricks that we're using to streamline internal communication. We're a completely remote team, and by using all of these tools in collaboration with each other, we've got a pretty streamlined process. So I hope these tools helped you. If they did, please like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're notified every time we release a new video. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.